In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to merge layers in Photoshop quickly and correctly. If you've ever worked on a design with multiple layers and wanted to combine them into one, this is an essential skill you need to know. Whether you're editing photos, creating thumbnails, or designing graphics, merging layers helps you stay organized and reduce file complexity. I'll walk you through the step-by-step method plus the handy keyboard shortcut that will save you a ton of time. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more simple and practical Photoshop tutorials. Let's jump right in. First, open your Photoshop project and head over to the Layers panel. If you don't see the Layers panel on your screen, go to the top menu, click on Window, and make sure Layers is checked. The Layers panel is where all the elements of your design are stacked. Now, to merge layers in Photoshop, the first step is selecting the layers you want to combine. In the Layers panel, click on one layer to select it. If you only want to merge two layers that are directly on top of each other, you can simply click one and then hold Ctrl on Windows or Command on Mac and click the other layer. If you want to select multiple layers that are not directly next to each other, hold Ctrl on Windows or Command on Mac and click each layer individually. You'll see them highlighted as you select them. This tells Photoshop that these are the layers you want to work with. If the layers are grouped together in a sequence, you can also click the top layer, then hold Shift and click the bottom layer in that sequence. Photoshop will automatically select everything in between. This is especially useful when working with larger projects that have many layers. Once you've selected all the layers you want to merge, the next step is very simple. Right-click on any one of the highlighted layers. A menu will appear with several options. From that menu, click on Merge Layers. As soon as you click it, Photoshop will combine all the selected layers into a single layer. You'll notice in the Layers panel that instead of multiple layers, you now have just one combined layer. The contents are still visually the same on your canvas, but now they're unified, which makes your file cleaner and sometimes smaller in size. Now let's talk about the faster method, the keyboard shortcut. If you prefer working quickly, this is the way to go. After selecting the layers you want to merge, simply press Ctrl+E on Windows or Command+E on Mac. Instantly, Photoshop will merge the selected layers without needing to right-click or open any menus. This shortcut is a huge time saver, especially if you merge layers frequently. One important thing to remember is that merging layers is permanent once you save your file. After merging, you can't separately edit the individual layers unless you undo the action immediately. So if you think you might need to make changes later, consider duplicating the layers first by pressing Ctrl or Command+J before merging. And that's it. That's exactly how you merge layers in Photoshop, using both the manual method and the keyboard shortcut. It's quick, simple, and incredibly useful for keeping your projects organized and efficient. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more easy Photoshop guides just like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.